Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. I appreciate you guys' support. For those new subscribers who have just tuned in, appreciate the support. Thanks for subscribing. You came to the great channel. I just want to go and start off with a short video. It's pretty simple. So I do have the lasfit. I'm sure you guys already know what they look like. Lasfit turn signals. I used to have on this Accord right here. These are turn signals. They're bright. They're LEDs. Super bright from lasfit. So I have both. I have the full pair, obviously, and I'm just doing a quick giveaway for this. So I'm just gonna ask you guys, just follow me on my Instagram, because I could easily do giveaway there than on the YouTube channel, because I get like robots and stuff like that and like spam just trying to enter in this giveaway. So that's how I come on. Let me make it simple for you guys. I'm doing this giveaway. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description below for the IG, and just make sure you guys follow there. And also my second Instagram, which is at Street Dynasty. I'll put them both there. Just make sure you guys follow both of them. And on the redlinemods.official, I'm gonna post it on there when the giveaway is gonna be, and I'm gonna drop a post there. All right, so stay tuned, keep watching, and I hope some of you guys win. And not to worry, because if you don't win that, I'm also going to be doing the reverse light. They're bright, they're white. I'm going to be doing this one as well for a second chance for somebody else to win. These are reverse LED lights right there. They're pretty bright from lasfit brand. And yeah, so we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned, fam. Appreciate the support. Peace out.